Dear students, I wish you very good morning to one and all present here. Today class discuss about the topic using torsional pendulum to find the rigidity modulus of the wire. To find rigidity modulus of the wire. This represents eta. Already you know, we have explained this torsional pendulum. What do you mean pendulum? One end is fixed, another end is freely rotated. You take steel wire or brass wire, any one wire take it. This wire, one end is fixed at the point A, another end is freely rotated. Freely moving in left to right, or to and fro, and then front to back, or acceleration of the body. Okay, this is a pendulum. And then torsion pendulum meaning a particular length of the wire taking. This length of the wire, one end is fixed. This another end is attached or clamped to this center of the axis, the circular metallic disc. Consider the circular metallic disc. This disc radius capital R, this mass of the metal is capital M, and then this particular length, suspension length of the wire L. We can consider this length of the wire L equal to 80 or 90 or 100 etc. Okay, that is torsional pendulum. Number of accelerations, period of accelerations. One time period find out. T equal to 2 pi root of I by C. The first condition, without mass applied, empty metallic disc. Empty disc only attached to this wire. This is a circular metal disc. The top of the surface, no mass applied, only wire and disc both attached. That is couple, wire and disc both attached couple. This is both for bending couple, and wire and disc both we have to twist it or we have to rotate it one side, or we have to apply the force. One side we have to force apply, another side a deflection producing it. But we get twisted the center of the axis to the wire. Both we have to twist it. Both we have to rotate it. Okay. Suddenly you have to release your force. The body, or disc. Another opposite side, acceleration producing or deflection to the body. Okay. This acceleration is a finding time. You take stopwatch on, stopwatch. For one rotation for 60 seconds, two rotations 120 seconds, three rotations 180 seconds. Okay, in acceleration finding time, stopwatch on it. This acceleration is half of the rotation timing. We can consider this left to right moving and then left coming one acceleration, and then again left to right and then left coming same similar positions. Okay, this number of period of accelerations find out. For example, 10 period of accelerations, 10t. Okay, the stopwatch time find out. Okay, one rotations in between below 60 seconds you will find out this 10 accelerations. For example, t equal to 48 seconds coming one. Okay, but there's a 10 period of acceleration. What t equal to 48 divided by 10, 4.8 seconds. Okay, so using torsional pendulum, without mass applied, empty metallic disc, to find the period of accelerations calculated, t equal to 4.8 seconds. Suppose you are manually or physically can find out this standard formula T equal to 2 pi root of I by C. This is moment of inertia of that is constant value, C constant value twisting couple of the wire. We have to find this T value. Okay, moment of the inertia I equal to mr squared by 2. This is the geometric moment of inertia. C. The C for twisting couple of the wire. This is wire, steel or brass wire taking, and this both we have to twist after twisting of the body or rotate of the body. Okay, this constant value pi eta r4 pi divided by 2l, or smaller radius of the wire. This using screw gauge reading to find the diameter of the wire and divide by 2 radius. It's a millimeter unit. For example, r equal to 0.25 into 10 power minus 3 meter. 4 times multiplied divided by 2 sections and length of the wire. We have to fix this wire 80 cm, 90 cm, 100 cm, 70 cm. Okay, the length depending where accelerations find out. The length increasing where accelerations also increases. Our weight upload, weight increases, accelerations also increasing. Why ma'am? Weight upload accelerations for slowly, time also increasing. So you are empty body, you are walking day and night, you are walking for any ground floor. Okay, the empty body freely moving. Okay, where walking time, particular distance find out. Okay, but this were very less timing. Where body top, some weight added, heavy body. Okay, we were walking for slowly, time increasing. Again, we were increasing with the body for slowly moving, time also increasing. Okay, so similar this procedure. With the circular method is on top floor, you can mass applied. So slowly acceleration, time increasing. This is a general concept. Okay, wow. So you can find out this period. Next is second condition, with mass applied at d1 distance. For example, mass applied, 2 equal mass or 50 gram mass. The period of accelerations find out. Okay, the small mass. Okay, this 50 gram mass taken. This mass attached or fixed this center of the axis nearest or closest to this mass. Okay, these are A, B, particular sections and length of the wire. The center of the axis point touched this, you have 2 equal mass. The center of the axis, left hand side 1 equal mass, right hand side 1 equal mass. Both mass are attached. This distance find out. This are D1. This distance D1. For example, D1 equal to 2.5 centimeter. So this one circular metal disc. This is center, 2 mass fixed. Center of the mass. 2 equal mass. You consider this circular metal disc. This is the center of the axis, 2 equal mass. This axis to mass center, this axis to mass center, D1 distance. This D1 for allotted 2.5 centimeter. This wire one end, A end is fixed, another end is attached to this circular metal disc. This circular metal disc D and mass of the metal disc M. This particular suspension length of the wire L. Okay, this diameter of the disc capital R. Okay, similar procedure without mass applied condition. You can update this with mass applied conditions. This is 2 equal mass. This 2 equal mass is fixed after. We have to twisted one side, another opposite side deflection produces. But this acceleration slowly moving. Okay, well time period find out. using stopwatch, this number of translations find out. Left to right, left to coming 1, left to right, left to coming 2, left to right, left to coming 3. This is a 10 period of translations find out. This 10 period of translation you go to increasing the time. Before for 1 period of translations 48 seconds. This one second condition, so you got to apply the 10 period of translation. For example, 52 seconds. Okay, you have to divide this 10t equal to 52 seconds. For 1 period of translation, 52 by 10, 5.2 seconds. Okay, so this is with mass applied after, we have to find this period of translation. So using this formula T1. But before without mass applied, the speed of acceleration for T. This is with mass applied, the period of acceleration is T1. T1 equal to 2 pi root of I plus 2 equal mass 2m at a distance d1 square divided by c. C constant and moment of inertia constant value. D1 for fixed 2.5, 2.5. Both side equal mass, equal distance allotted. That is equation number consider 1. Similar procedure, third condition, with mass applied at d2 distance. D2, for example, 5.8 centimeter or 6 centimeter. With respect to the circular method is distance. Okay, so with the mass applied, okay, 2 equal mass. 2 equal mass. This 2 equal mass, okay, fixed this longer distance. Fixed this longer distance. For example, this one wire one end fixed, another end is for freely moving through this circular metal disc. This metal disc corner, left corner, right corner. This touch this metal disc what? Touch this metal disc corner. Okay, both the side 2 equal mass, top surface fixed. So 50 gram mass, 50 gram mass. This is center of the point axis. That is DN, that is AN, particular line. This distance allotted. Axis to mass center, D2. Axis to mass center, D2. That is 5.8 or 6 centimeter allotted. So 5.8 na, your diameter evlo varum 5.8, 5.8 varum. Okay va? 11.6. Or 6 centimeter, 12 centimeter diameter. Using Bernoulli caliper or small scale using this half of the distance find out, that is D2. But this mass center you got to allotted. Center of the axis to mass center. Center of the axis to mass center. Plus 12 centimeter is na. Okay, you can this end to this end find out 5.8. But this is 5.8. Okay. So center of the mass to axis distance. But that is maximum distance or longer distance allotted. That is D2. Again same procedure to find the period of acceleration T2, 2 pi root of I plus 2m D2 square divided by C. Okay, this equation number consider 2. Wire and disc both attached. Okay, 2 mass allotted, top surface at a longer distance. Go to slowly twisted one side, mass not released. Okay, mass not escaped. Okay, mass fixed this circular disc. But slowly accelerated, slowly twisted one side. Go to force slowly applied. You release your force. Suddenly another opposite side deflection producing. Where applied force equal to the deflecting couple or deflecting accelerations. Okay, backward force to the upward force. Okay, or backward force to the deflecting force or deflecting the acceleration of the body. Both side equally. But that is a simple harmonic motion executes the center of the axis. Okay, this concept for occur. Okay, simple harmonic motion. Okay, this phenomena basically can one period of accelerations find out. Okay, this is deflection timing or acceleration producing timing. Same 10 period of accelerations find out. Can consider one end, another end. Left to right, left to coming one, left to right, left to coming, left to right, left to coming. Work and accelerations time find out. That is T2. Okay, this is T2 equal to 2 pi root of I plus 2m dt squared by C. For example, this is 552 seconds for D1 distance or closest distance. D2 for longest distance. But 10T for increasing the time period. For example, 60 seconds. So your body weight increasing. So you are walking for slowly, but time also increasing. Okay. So that is this example pattern again. Disc, empty disc for fastly moving, fastly rotated of the body. Okay. And a disc with top floor some weight, some mass applied. The body slowly accelerated, increasing time seconds. Okay. For this one, first one is empty without mass applied 48 seconds. With mass applied D1 distance 52. With mass applied at D2 distance 60 seconds. Okay, just one examples I am told that period of accelerations. When 10T equal to 60 seconds. One period of acceleration is equal to 60 by 10, 6 seconds. Okay. A similar procedure T2 find out, that is equation number consider 2. Okay. The 3 possible conditions apply. T without mass 2 pi root of I by C, with mass applied at a D1 distance T equal to 2 pi root of I plus 2m D1 square by C, and with mass applied at a longer distance, maximum distance D2 apply. Okay, but T2 equal to 2 pi root of I plus 2m D2 square by C. Next, T1. T1 go to squaring. T1 squared equal to 4 pi square into I plus 2m D1 squared by C. Equation number 1, squaring on both sides. T1 squared equal to 4 pi squared I plus 2m D1 squared by C. And equation number 2, squaring. Give up. T2 squared equal to 4 pi squared I plus 2m D2 squared divided by C. Okay. So this was T1 squared T2 squared find out. Next, T2 squared minus T1 squared equal to. We are going to consider this equation number 3. Equation number 4. 4 minus 3. T2 squared minus T1 squared, that is equal to 4 pi squared into I plus 2m D2 squared by C minus third equation number 4 pi squared I plus 2m D1 squared by C. We will simplify this right hand side 4 pi square I by C plus 4 into 2 8 pi square m D2 square by C minus 4 pi square I by C plus into minus 8 pi square m D1 square by C. Plus term minus term cancel, remaining term 8 pi square m divided by C, that is 2 term for constant term, outside take it 8 pi square m by C, remaining term D2 square minus D1 square, that is D2 square minus D1 square. That is the equation number we are going to consider fifth equation. Continuing this equation, put C equal to pi eta r power 4 by 2l. Can substitute this denominator, this equation. Good. Substitute C value in equation 5. T2 square minus T1 square equal to 8 pi square m divided by pi eta r power 4 by 2l into d2 squared minus d1 squared. C value substitute. Next, we can simplify this term. T2 square minus T1 square equal to 2. Going to numerator 8 into 2, 16. Pi cancel 1 pi here m, and then small l going to numerator divided by eta r power 4 into d2 square minus d1 square. This was difference between the period of accelerations at d1 distance to d2 distance formula. We have to consider this equation number 6. Where question is to find the rigidity modulus of the wire eta. Therefore, eta equal to, this are going to denominator 16 pi m l divided by r power 4 into d2 square minus d1 square divided by d2 square minus d1 square. That is equation number 7. Okay. So your question say to find the rigidity modulus of the given wire equal to 16 pi 3.14 m mass of the applied mass m 50 grams or 100 grams mass applied into 10 power minus 3 kg L 80 cm 70 cm 90 cm 100 cm into 10 power minus 2 meter value divided by r radius of the wire and d2 d1 for example d2 given 5.8 cm into 10 power minus 2 whole square 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 whole square divided by t2 squared. For example t2 எவ்வளவு இருந்துச்சு 60 செகண்ட் அப்ப 6 செகண்ட் 6 ஸ்கொயர் 36 minus t1 square எவ்வளவு வந்தது for example 52 by 10 5.2 whole square. This difference find out, this value may find out, and then this constant value substitute. You can find this given steel or brass wire rigidity modulus. Okay friends, previous class continuations. First I will inform you using torsional pendulum to find the timekeeping purposes T find out. Second one, moment of inertia of the metallic disc or body, and third one, rigidity modulus of the wire. This 3 equation find out. That is big question, 16 mark questions, where half of the derivation only you can consider the 8 plus 8. Okay, where questions depending mark for separated, or 2 mark questions given. What do you mean by torsional pendulum? A statement torsional pendulum or define torsional pendulum and its applications or uses. Okay, you can explain. You have to explain briefly, that is the questions. Questions. Okay. Again, I will inform what do you mean by torsional pendulum. Answer students. The wire, one end is fixed, another end is freely moving. This another end for attach this some weight of the body. But you can take it this circular metal disc. Okay, wire and disc both attached at the particular length of the wire. That is torsional pendulum. Okay, a rigid body meaning circular metal disc. Okay, a rigid body suspended from a particular length of the wire. This wire thickness very less. Okay, that is torsional pendulum. This 3 application updated. This explain the torsional pendulum equations. That's all students. Thank you one and all. Next class we will meet the remaining topics. Okay students, bye.